It is official. Tim Gajser's time with Honda in MXGP is over. Now, if you've paid attention to this or follow along, he is supposedly going over to the Monster Energy Yamaha factory racing team. So the 12 years that he has spent with the Honda team is done. And you gotta say, what a productive run he's had with them. History and numbers: he has 4 MXGP World Championships, 1 MX2 World Championship, 47 MXGP overall wins, 5 MX2 overall wins, 116 race wins in total, 125 podiums, and 2 Motocross of Nations class wins. Now, Marcus Pereira de Freitas, sorry if I'm butchering that, is just what it is, says, quote, "It has been a privilege to have worked with Tim all these years and to see him grow as a person as well as a rider. He has gone through a lot of difficult times, but each time he does, he comes out stronger and better prepared, and I think that has shown throughout the amazing time he has had with Honda and HRC. He joined us as a talented boy with a lot of potential, but it shows his character that he leaves us as a 5-time world champion. He has made friends with everyone on the team, and I think everyone will be sad to see him leave, but this is motocross and sometimes this happens, so now we all wish him the very best in the future, whatever that brings." Now, as we know, Tom Vial is coming, or I guess going back over to MXGP after he left MX2 to come over here, and he'll be taking at least one of those Honda seats. So we're going to see what the change does for him. I mean, moving over to another Japanese brand, not the biggest change in the world. Obviously, moving over to another factory squad probably isn't going to be the worst experience he's ever going to have. I mean, Monster Energy Yamaha cannot be a bad thing to move over to. But we do have a quote from him also saying, quote, "After 12 unforgettable years, my journey with Honda has come to an end. I'm incredibly proud to have helped Honda reclaim the MXGP World Championship title after many years, and not just once, but 4 times in MXGP and once in MX2. I will always be grateful for the trust, belief, and support Honda has given me throughout all these years. From the first lap to the last, this journey shaped me as a rider and as a person. Thank you, Honda, for everything." Now, obviously, this is official. His time is done. We all knew that was coming anyways. It's just going to be a question on now when it's officially released of his move over to Yamaha. I'm assuming he's probably already been riding that bike for a while now. This is just PR stuff at this point. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you watch MXGP? Are you just an American Supercross and motocross fan? Or whatever. But if you do watch it, how well do you think he's going to do moving over to the Yamaha side of things? How well do you think Vial is going to do moving over to MXGP and Honda? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for A1? Doesn't matter. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.